Hey Louis, Shaelee with Midtown Marketing here. So I have your website pulled up so that we can go over your online presence. And so looking through here, the first thing I notice is we want to have some more call to action buttons, which are just clickable, where people can immediately start calling you, or they can send this form. That's really good that they have that on here. And you want more throughout, making this clickable as well. And so another tip that I have is you want to have at least 1,500 words on your homepage. And the reason that you want more content is because Google has what's called crawlers, and they're crawling the internet 24/7, just going through this content and then seeing what keywords are embedded in that content. And so you want at least 1,500 words on your homepage to be considered an authority with Google with those and then you also want to include those good keywords embedded in that content. So a good example of a keyword, I see that you do quite a few services, so I chose roofing. So one keyword that we would want to make sure is on your homepage would be Tulsa Roofing Companies. And so when we search this, the first thing that we see here are some ads. And then if we scroll down, this is called the Google Map Pack. And you want to be in the top 3 here. A lot of people don't click more businesses. And you want to be in the top 3 because 30 to 40% of business goes into this section here. And how to beat out these other companies is having a Google My Business profile, making sure and the main thing is making sure you have more citations than these other businesses, which is just your business name, phone number, and address listed throughout the web in places like Yelp. And also you want to have 5-star reviews and photos. So if we scroll down here, this section is called the organic listing. And so the rest of the 60 to 70% of business goes down through here. And so you want to be in the top 3 section here as well. Most people will skip over these articles here, top 10. They usually just go straight for the businesses. So the number 1 business here is T-Town Roofing. They're in the lead spot of the organic. Scrolling through here, I didn't see your business on the first page. A lot of people, they don't scroll down, and it's pretty rare for people to even click past the first page. And so you want to make sure you're in the top 3. The higher, the better. So let's take a look at T-Town Roofing's website and see why they're ranking here. Alright, looking over their website, they have some good call to actions. And they have more content as well. Looks like they don't have enough content, so that's definitely something that you could add more content to and outrank them with the content. I have T-Town Roofing plugged into a website called Ahrefs, and so these numbers here are ratings that Google will give to a website. And so UR and DR, this is trustworthiness and power of a site. And so what makes up these ratings here are backlinks, which come from referring domains. And what a backlink is it's just one website linking to your website. So it's like a shout out because Google is one big popularity contest. And not all backlinks are created equal, so you want to make sure you get good quality backlinks so that you are raising these numbers, not spammy ones, because we don't want to lower them. And then on their page, they have 265 keywords. So let's take a look and compare total concepts. So the UR and the DR, 11, 1.2. You have 163 backlinks coming from 36 domains, and you have 36 organic keywords. And so we want to make sure that we're raising these numbers because we want to beat T-Town Roofing with their power and their trustworthiness. And so what we'd want to do, we'll go back to their site, is we can click on these backlinks here, and we can see what backlinks they have, and then pick the good ones, and then just link them to your website, because if it's working for them, it would work for you. So we would just want to make sure that we're adding, or you are adding some good quality backlinks to your site, and then some good keywords. So let's take a look at some of their traffic and where it's coming from. Let's see. Alright, I'm going to skip this one because people are searching for them specifically. Tulsa Roofing has 300 people searching for it a month. Roofing Companies Tulsa, 350, 350, 200, 300, 200, 200, 200, 200, and it just keeps going. And so these are just for Tulsa Roofing, and the list just keeps going down. Not all of these are buyer intent, so we'd want to make sure we're getting buyer intent ones, but it would be really good to have these buyer intent keywords on your website, and then have it ranking higher, so getting those backlinks to your website. And the reason is you want more eyes on your website, because the more eyes on your website, the more people will be converting to customers for you. So if you'll just take a couple of those tips, then you'll be getting more conversions on your website. And if you need help, I'd be more than happy to help you. Thank you.